The 2025 BMW Camper van is a bold step into uncharted territory for the German automaker, blending luxury, innovation, and practicality into the ultimate road trip machine. Unlike anything BMW has done before, this camper van is designed for those who crave adventure without sacrificing sophistication. At first glance, it sports a sleek, aerodynamic design that reflects BMW's modern styling, with LED laser headlights, a distinctive kidney grille adapted for van proportions, and smooth bodywork that gives it a premium, futuristic presence on the road. Inside, the transformation is truly remarkable. The cabin is crafted with the same level of luxury you'd expect in a 7 Series, featuring fine leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, and ambient lighting throughout. It's equipped with BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, spanning a curved panoramic display that controls navigation, climate, and entertainment. Voice and gesture controls enhance the hands-free driving and camping experience. Connectivity is seamless, with integrated 5G, smart home syncing, and a dedicated travel planning suite. The camper configuration includes a retractable roof that reveals a pop-up sleeping area, complete with memory foam bedding and panoramic sky windows. Below, the cabin features a fully modular setup with a fold-out kitchenette, induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and a sink with UV water purification. A hidden bathroom module with a retractable shower and eco-friendly toilet brings comfort even in remote locations. Solar panels line the roof, providing sustainable energy to power the van's smart systems and amenities. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW Camper van is powered by a plug-in hybrid system combining a 6-cylinder turbo engine with an advanced electric drive, offering up to 80 miles of all-electric range and a combined range exceeding 600 miles. Air suspension and adaptive drive modes ensure smooth travel on highways and rugged backroads alike. BMW's advanced driver assistance suite, including highway autopilot and 360-degree environmental sensing, brings peace of mind on long journeys. Storage is cleverly integrated, with multiple compartments for gear, bikes, and even a foldable outdoor seating set. A retractable side awning extends to create a shaded lounge area, while the rear opens into a tailgate-style deck for relaxing with a view. BMW's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the premium acoustic insulation to the climate control zones tailored for sleep and activity. This camper van isn't just about transport. It's a mobile luxury retreat for couples, solo travelers, or even small families who want to explore in style. It signals a new era for BMW, merging their legacy of driving pleasure with the freedom of the open road. The 2025 BMW Camper van redefines what's possible in automotive travel, offering a seamless blend of performance, comfort, and versatility that's poised to lead the premium camper segment.